friends, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll share with you one of my favorite island dish, Jamaican oxtail. Let's get right into it. Friends, here we have 4 pounds of oxtail, and we'll go ahead and season with some black pepper and all-purpose seasoning, some Johnny's seasoning salt, and also regular salt. Next, we'll sear our oxtail to lock in all of those amazing flavors before transferring to a pressure cooker. There you have it, friends, the most flavorful, tender, fall off the bone Jamaican oxtail recipe you may ever find. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, or subscribe. Until next time.